Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Aldi haul with the meal plan for the week. Stay tuned. If you like all things Aldi, I oftentimes have Aldi haul videos where I share what I bought for the week and the meal plan for the family. All right, so this might be part 1 of 2 just because my Aldi was out of a lot of items. But I will show you what I got on this trip. Got some plain bagels. I get the plain when sometimes we're in the mood for both sweet and savory, so you could go either way. Some yellow onions, a couple of containers of strawberries, muffins for my husband, and somebody on the Isle of Shame Facebook page had clued me in to this. This is popcorn with dill pickle flavor. I know, hear me out first. So I tried the potato chips that they had. It looks like that's a seasonal item maybe, and they were dill pickled flavored. I didn't think I would like them, but was just trying something new, and oh, they were so good. Oh my gosh. And now I cannot find them anywhere. So I'm hoping Aldi, please bring them back for the summer. How nice they would go on some outings with picnics and stuff. I don't know. But anyway, somebody had told me about this and I'll give that a try. I don't know. These are the beefsteak tomatoes, of course. And my favorite as of late, the Simply Nature baby spinach and arugula. I eat this with fish, with salads, with sandwiches, with almost everything. So love it, love it, love it. It's just the arugula gives that nice spicy kind of flavor to it. I really like it. This, I can't remember if we've tried this before, but we're gonna give it a shot. These are some apples, of course, in a 2-pound bag. Some broccoli crowns. A staple for us is the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I was hoping to find both the unsweet and the sweet tea because we kind of mix them, you know, to cut down on the sugar a little bit, but just found the unsweet. And look how big this is. I've never bought this before from Aldi, but geez Louise, this thing is enormous. It's a family size container of Frosted Flakes, some bananas, red bag chicken, of course, the chicken breast fillets, some salmon. I love their salmon. And this was a newer-ish kind of find for me. They had the smaller bags of the chicken nuggets. This is a family size 48-ounce portion. These kinds of bags last us a long time. So hopefully they do still. Some yogurts for my husband, and my non-food item of the haul is this ball for my daughter. Some oranges. I'm going to give them another shot. They haven't been that great lately. And I'm going to give this a try too. It's the Priano spinach and cheese manicotti. Yum, yum, yum. Some Never Any chicken breasts, all under that plastic sheen there. Some Baby Bell cheese. My daughter loves these. And then a couple dozen of the cage-free eggs. Here's the receipt in case you would like to check out the prices. Okay, meal plan for the week. Today we are having Mexican scrambles. I have some ground beef still in the freezer. So I'm gonna try to use up some of our freezer items this week, especially since my grocery haul wasn't so hot. I add some ground beef with onions and peppers and a little bit of corn into a scramble with eggs, of course, and we'll have that over some Fiesta rice. Monday is salmon with an orange zest kind of sauce. We'll have that over baby spinach and arugula with some jasmine rice. That'll probably be my favorite meal of the week. I love citrus with seafood. Tuesday will be chicken kebabs, and we'll have baked potatoes with that. Wednesday is a tuna casserole with steamed broccoli. That will probably run us into Thursday just because I make like a big pan of the tuna casserole. I don't know. We'll probably have the tuna casserole for lunches too. But if it doesn't run us into Thursday, on Thursday we'll have the spinach manicotti with bruschetta. I'll use the beefsteak tomatoes for that. And we'll probably finish up the spinach arugula mix on that day. Friday is just a simple dinner of chicken sandwiches or nuggets. I think I have some frozen vegetables still in the freezer that we'll have along with that. So it'll either be some peas and carrots or some green beans. And then Saturday will be leftovers or Chinese food. All right, so that is it for this week's Aldi haul and meal plan. So yeah, let me know what dinners you've been loving lately. I am always open to hearing new ideas. I love, love, love when you recommend products for us to try. I cannot tell you how many times I've walked through Aldi and looked at something and thought, should I buy this? Is it really any good? And I get a little hesitant unless somebody tells me some good feedback. So anyway, that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care.